Look what I got. People have been talking about this all over the internet.
Okay, I got this kit off of Amazon.
I'm starting to be a little excessive.
They look so oh.
Oh, it's warm. It's a chemical reaction.
Whatever, like, it's gonna work. It's gonna work.
Bippity boppity brow. Here we go. It's so easy. You get salon results for a fraction of the cost.
I'm happy. I feel like this is a strong foundation for me to have solid full brows every day.
This was a pretty easy process, honestly. I would totally use this kit again.
It changed everything. I'm very proud and happy with the results.
Are you kidding me? That was so easy.
And from this to this, all at home.
I mean, cool. Yeah, like this is good.
Brows like this off Amazon, that's crazy.
I definitely love the way that these brows turned out.
Wow.
Brows are done, and I really like it. I'm very happy I actually did it.
This is the kit to get.